Do you have access to a computer with an email program? Do you make it a habit to check your email inbox every day? The types of emails I'm referring to are Yahoo, Gmail, Outlook, and so on. If you answered yes, you're in luck because what I'm about to show you has the potential to produce anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000. You may earn money by simply opening and reading emails. There are no complicated steps involved. Simply create, open, and read emails, and congratulations, you are earning money. The greater the number of emails that you read, the more money you earn. Just keep on watching to learn more about this easy process of earning money. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. There are a few things that I'd like to be sure of before we get started. The first thing is to make sure that you have a PayPal account, since it is the only payment method where you can get your payment from the website that I will introduce to you later. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, you can easily create an account for free. Go to paypal.com and sign up for an account. And if you'd like a free PayPal account, just click on this button. Finally, create your PayPal account as a personal account, then fill out the necessary information for your account to be set up. Now, the second thing is I want to make sure that you actually have an email account where you will receive your daily paid emails. If you do not have any email, you should not be worried because we'll create one. Now, I have recommendations for emails. You can use either Yahoo or Gmail as your email provider. These are the two most commonly used email addresses in today's world. So for the first email, I'd like you to search for Yahoo Mail in your browser and click on the first result that comes up. Yahoo Mail is an email service that offers 4 different email plans, 3 for personal, like basic, plus and ad-free, and another for businesses. Though it has a fee if you want to have it ad-free, and the company has 225 million users. As you can see here, if you have a Yahoo Mail account, you're able to receive different paid emails and start making money online. If you want to create an account in Yahoo Mail, just click this Create an Account button and fill out the necessary details and you're good to go. The second email that I'm recommending to you is Gmail. Type in this keyword in your search bar and click on the link that first came up. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google that allows you to send and receive messages. In addition, it has 1.5 billion active users globally as of 2019, thanks to its large storage capacity and low-cost operation. If you do not have an account, you can create one by clicking this Create an Account button. The usual, fill out the necessary details, and voila, you now have a Gmail account. Yahoo Mail and Gmail are both available for download. If you have an iPhone, you can find this in your App Store, and if you have an Android device, you can find this in your Google Play Store. You can also simply open this on your web browser if you prefer that option. Now, everything's complete. We should now proceed to the website that will pay us by reading emails. You should enter Pay to Read Email into your browser search bar to access the website that I'd like you to check out. Then select the first result that appears on the screen. And here on paytoreademail.com, you can earn money for your time and effort by reading emails, participating in polls, completing offers, recommending friends, and many other activities. You can also select to earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards instead of cash. So how does this website work? I'd like to demonstrate it to you in detail. Now, there are 3 simple steps on how to get paid for reading emails online. The first thing you must do is create a free account. Step number 2 requires you to read emails. And step number 3 is that you can be paid in PayPal money on a daily basis. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. What are the benefits of being a member of Pay to Read Email? I'll give you 6 reasons why I believe this. For starters, you receive paid emails on a daily basis. 2, they have a quick payment processing system. Your payout will be handled within 24 hours of receipt of your request. 3. They have a relatively low payout limit. Once you have reached the minimal requirement of $15, you can begin withdrawing your profits from your account. 4. When you sign up, you will receive a $3 welcome bonus. 5. You can earn extra by participating in daily paid surveys, where you can earn between 50 cents and $1 per survey completed. Last but not the least, you can also make an additional source of income by referring your friends, where you'll be credited 15% of your referrals earnings for completing offers and taking surveys. Now to start, we will sign up on this website. You locate the sign up form upon reaching the website's homepage. You will be required to provide your gender, first name, email address, and of course, password. And just click on the sign up icon below. On the next page, you can see you already have the other details. However, I want you to fill out the box with your last name and the zip code where you are located. Don't forget to tick the box saying that you agree on the terms and conditions of the site, and also I am not a robot box for verification. Following that, please complete the registration form by clicking on the Sign Me Up button, and there you can see that they already credited the $3 sign-up bonus into your account. As you browse further, you will discover that they provide 4 different ways for you to be rewarded for your online activities. You can make money by participating in cash surveys, cash offers, earning points, and reading paid emails. Now what we're going to do is click on this Earn with Your Opinions button right here, and that will send you to this page. As you can see in this example, cash surveys can pay anything from 40 cents and $1.20 for each survey that is completed. There are 4 major categories to consider. First is surveys, which you can do unlimited surveys. The second category, which is opinion surveys. It is also unlimited in terms of answering surveys. For the third category, which is Dynata surveys, you are now only permitted to complete a maximum of 10 surveys per day. And the final category is survey time, which you have a daily restriction of just 1 survey. As soon as you click on the survey button right here, you can begin doing the surveys, which can take as little as 1 or 2 minutes, and you are able to earn 50 cents simply by doing so. It is pretty simple and quick process. The money will be credited to your account as soon as the surveys have been completed and approved. And the good news is you have an endless number of opportunities in each of those categories. All you have to do is complete very simple surveys on your phone, and you can earn up to $5. Finally, the most exciting portion of this video and the entire point of this video is reading emails and clicking on the link contained in those emails. When you are able to receive the paid emails in your account, what you're going to do is just click the emails to read them. Then either click on the images or on the button to proceed, which will take you to the website. So you're going to go ahead and follow the instructions that have been provided. Sometimes they'll give you some instructions to complete something, but most of the time you don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is remain on that website for at least 30 seconds before you may proceed. In 30 seconds, you have to look around the website and then make sure that you are in fact a person and not a robot. So you can just scroll through the website and look around and move the mouse around too. You can do this on your phone as well as on your laptop. After 30 seconds, you can get your money and put it in your account. And that's about it. Just do this repeatedly and your income will accumulate, which you will be able to redeem through PayPal. This is a very simple and time-saving method of earning money because you can earn money simply by opening and reading emails. There are no complicated procedures to complete. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.